So basically till now I have created a lot of stuff. मैंने assembly करी proper, इसका troubleshooting किया. And if you guys like this progress, just check out my LinkedIn and Instagram as well. I post content on Instagram, and you can follow me on LinkedIn for more professional stuff, because yeah, connections are always good. Now coming back to the manipulator that I'm building right now, I might just need to keep this down a bit. Okay, so I don't know if voice is good or not, but yeah, this is the one. So this is basically an exoskeleton, or you can say a teleoperation system. I don't know what's the right term for it, but this falls under a bit of exoskeleton part, because I'm an electronics engineer and I work at a robotics company. I don't own the company. I work with a robotics company, and this is what I do. I build robots and stuff. I build robots for a living, So I implemented a bit of that learning on this project, So I made this exoskeleton. I 3D printed this box. This is basically a silica gel box. I found the file on Bamboo Lab Maker World. This is basically used to dry the filaments out to store silica gel. If you don't know silica gel is, you can just Google it. Okay, let's not make this lengthy. Now, if you can see, this has 5 degrees of freedom as well. The rotation, the first, the second joint, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. In front of this, I'll be adding a bit of buttons to control the gripper. But this is a total 5 DOF exoskeleton to control this bad boy right here. This is a 5 DOF robotic arm, and you're gonna watch it very soon working. As of now, I have connected this box. There's a friend of mine who helped me design this part. I am not quite handy with the designing, though I'm good with the hardware and electronics part, so I'll be sticking it to it. And coming back to the exo, you can see I've connected 5 potentiometers, fastened them with the cable ties, properly wired everything, and I have tested a bit. Some joints need to be, inverted. Actually, let's say if I am doing this right here, the robotic arm goes the opposite direction. It goes somewhere like this. So this is clearly in the problem of inversion of the values. So I'll be inverting the values in order to write them on the manipulator. The rotation works well, each and every joint works well, because I've tested it. I'll be updating the firmware for the ESP-32. I'm using a ESP-32 as a brain for this project, and I'll be making a custom PCB for it as well, because that's what I do. So let's build a custom PCB for it, and I'll be also adding a couple of buttons and LEDs, and if possible a OLED display, in order to showcase the status of the robotic arm, the values, as if it is sending the values. By the way, this works on the ESP-NOW protocol. It communicates via the RF, and ESP-NOW protocol is a very low latency protocol, and it's really good for exoskeleton systems like this. Cheers, let's continue.